Hi, here is Vincent, and right now I'm going to tell you something about how I feel about the online platform TradeWheel's. And I think it is a very great online platform for us to find more potential customers. And I think that if it can have more ways to help people to find more online potential customers, I think it has a great chance that it will go bigger one day. And besides, I would like to talk about my ISM Jack. I think he is a very great man and really cooperative. And with his help, I think we can make something happen one day. So that's all. Thanks.